everyone, I'm Christa, shamanic practitioner as well as teacher of shamanic classes.
And welcome to my simmer pot video. So now let's talk about how to set up a shamanic simmer pot for stress relief. Now, setting up a simmer pot is such a beautiful thing to do because it brings healing energy to you and it brings beautiful healing energy into your space. And this can create a wonderful atmosphere of healing. And when we set up a simmer pot, the simmer pot will continue to radiate healing energy into the space and to you over a period of time. And when we look at this beautiful recipe for stress relief, this will help to bring you beautiful soothing energies, cleansing you of all stress and anxiety, cleansing those emotional energies from your space or your home, and uplifting your home to a nice, bright, healthy vibration, and helping you to be calm and relaxed and raising your vibration to a nice, beautiful state. So now let's look at some ingredients that you will need and how to set up a simmer pot. So here's my simmer pot here. I have a cast iron pot that is sitting on a base, and underneath I will light a candle. If you don't have this set up, do not worry. You can still make a simmer pot with a pot of water on the stove. You can bring the water to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer and then add your ingredients, and then after a few minutes, you can turn off the burner and just let the water steam and the healing energy fill your space and also bring that healing energy to you. So let's take a look at the ingredients that we will need and how to work with these ingredients in a shamanic way. This is different than setting up other types of simmer pots. We're learning how to work with this from a shamanic perspective. All right, so let's dive in, and here we go. So let's now talk about the first ingredient that you will need for this recipe, which is dried rose petals. So I have some red rose petals here, and how we work with this shamanically is that we will thank the spirit of the rose petal for the healing it brings to us. So saying these words, "Thank you, rose petals, for soothing all my anxiety and stress and releasing all stress and anxiety from my space, so that I am calm and relaxed, and my space holds a beautiful, soothing energy. In full faith, so be it." And once you say those beautiful words, now you've become into a beautiful relationship with the spirit of the rose so that you receive its beautiful healing benefit. And now go ahead and add the roses to the simmer pot. Okay, and then the next ingredient we have are dried lavender flowers. So again, we'll speak to the spirit of the lavender. Thank you, lavender, for soothing all of my stress, releasing all stress from me, releasing all anxiety and overwhelm, so that I am calm and relaxed and at peace. And thank you for cleansing all stress energy and anxiety from my space, so that my space holds a beautiful, calm, soothing energy, making it a healing sanctuary for me and everyone in my space. In full faith, so be it. And now go ahead and add the lavender to the simmer pot. There we go. And now the next ingredient we're going to work with is St. John's wort flowers. So, saying to the spirit of St. John's wort, please repeat after me. Thank you, St. John's wort, for cleansing me of all stress and anxiety and overwhelm, so that I am calm and relaxed and at peace. And thank you for filling my space with beautiful, calm, healing energy to cleanse all stress from my space, making my space a healing sanctuary. In full faith, so be it. And then now go ahead and add that ingredient to the simmer pot. And now for our next ingredient, which is ground cinnamon. So, speaking some healing words now, repeat after me. Thank you, cinnamon, for cleansing me of all negative energies, stress, and anxiety, so that I am calm and relaxed and grounded. And thank you for cleansing all stress energies from my space so that my space is a healing sanctuary, calm and peaceful. In full faith, so be it. And now for the next ingredient, slices of lemon. So saying to the spirit of the lemon, repeat after me, thank you for cleansing me of all stress and anxiety and uplifting my mood to a nice, bright, joyful, and happy state. Thank you for cleansing all energy from my space and bringing healing energy to my space so that it is filled with love and light and positive energy. In full faith, so be it. And now that we have all of our ingredients there, I've just boiled some water in this teapot, and I'm going to add the hot water to the simmer pot. And as I pour the water in, I can already start to smell the beautiful fragrance of the lavender, the rose, the cinnamon, and the lemon. The St. John's wort doesn't have too much of a fragrance. It just has a little bit of an earthy smell. But the beautiful aromas of the other plants and the lemon is just incredible. Also, I'm going to light a candle now to keep the pot going. So the heat of the candle is going to keep the pot steaming. And as the steam rises from the water from the pot, the steam carries all of the beautiful healing energies of those plants, bringing it into the space and bringing it into you. So as you breathe in the beautiful fragrance of the plants from the pot, you're breathing in that healing energy, which then the spirits of those beautiful plants will release the stress and anxiety and fill you with beautiful, peaceful, and healing energy. As the steam rises from the pot, it will also cleanse your space of that stress energy and anxiety and fill up your space, your room, your home, your environment with that beautiful, soothing energy, uplifting your space to a nice, bright, healing energy so that you feel good when you're in your space, making it a relaxing and healing sanctuary. So I would burn the candle for a few hours. If you're simmering the pot on the stove, then you can simmer it for maybe half an hour and then turn off the heat and then just let the steam rise from the pot to fill your home and you with that beautiful healing energy. And after you work with the pot for a few hours, then you can just dispose of the plants and the lemon in the compost. I usually just pour the water through a strainer and put the water down the sink after the water has cooled down, and then just composting the plants, or you can just give them back to the earth in a beautiful, sacred way.
Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to go deeper into shamanism, I do offer live and interactive online shamanic classes. You can check out my class schedule and register for classes on my website, shamanicspirit.ca. Or if you would like to book a shamanic healing session with me, I do offer a lot of deep shamanic healing. I do those online on Zoom, so you can go to my website and book a shamanic healing session with me at my website, shamanicspirit.ca. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and light and blessings to you, and may you have a beautiful day.